Hi, I'm Dennis McCardle with the Chemical Coaters Association. I'm here to talk to you about the importance of stripping and coatings removal. Why is it important to strip your hooks and racks? It's important to get a good ground in a powder coating application, so you want to make sure that the film build is removed every pass or every other pass to make sure that you get good efficiencies on the powder application and good consistency on your parts. That's critical to the overall operation. The component itself, in regards to having a good quality finish, if you have a lot of value in that component, you're going to want to remove obviously any of the reject or any of the coating that's been applied incorrectly and salvage that part. There are a lot of different techniques that you can employ to remove coatings. There are burn-off ovens, there are fluidized beds, there are molten salt baths, there are chemical stripping baths that you can employ. There is mechanical abrasive blasting that can be done as well for removing the coatings from either the hook or the component you want to salvage. Coatings removal is an integral part of the overall finishing operation. I hope this tip will help you and your operation.